Automation retrofit services upgrade without downtime. In today's fast-paced industries, downtime isn't an option. At Softcon, we help you stay ahead with automation retrofit services. Our experts upgrade your existing systems with cutting-edge automation, seamlessly integrating with your operations. Old to new, analog to digital, outdated to future-ready, all with zero production downtime. With our retrofit solutions, you get improved efficiency, reliability, and productivity, without halting your production. Trusted across industries, we deliver tailored solutions for Greenfield, Brownfield, and Revamp projects. Upgrade smarter, upgrade faster, upgrade with Softcon.